It's more of like, gusto ko kasi pag dumating ako sa point na maybe 30 na ako or early 30s, magkaka-family na ako of my own. So, kasi yung reproductive ng woman, di ba, hanggang ganun lang yung lifespan eh. Unlike sa men, they can go kahit senior citizen sila, pwede pa sila magkaanak. So like, for me, yun yung gusto kong paghandaan. And nape-pressure ako sa ganyang thought. Kasi syempre, in the future, I also want to have my own family, kahit isang anak or something like that. So, yun.
Sa mo ngayong crisis?
Oo, sa crisis ko.
Kasi di ba kung tutuusin, kung may bala ka na magka-family ng 30 years old, ilang years na lang yun?
O ilang years
yeah, ilang years na lang yun.
6 years na lang yun. Kung 30, kung 30 ko,
less than 10 years.
Less than 10 years na lang
Less
yun.
than
So,
Less than 10 years.
nakaka-pressure talaga na parang, ano ba, saan ba ito papunta tong career na to?
Yeah.
Mas okay ba to gawin muna, ganyan? So parang,
Yeah, and
yun yung nahihirapan tayo.
Yeah, and you know what they say, diba? Parang this is like your prime years. This is where you earn more. This is where you have all the energy. This is where you can explore more. So parang, parang napapaisip ko rin, so paano pag 30, mid-30s na ako, late 30s, hindi na ganon. I won't be able to earn as much as I did. So pag ito na yung pinaka-best ko, pinaka-prime ko, then paano na lang pag 30 na ako or ganito, ganyan. Yun. Ikaw ba? Kayo?
I get that naman. Pero ako medyo iba siguro yung mindset ko ngayon. Kasi ako, hinahanap ko pa, di ba, sabi mo gusto mo magka-family at 30. Ako, ewan ko pa kung kailan ko gusto magka-family. Yun yung tinatry ko figure out. Ano ba yung goal ko ngayon?
Because also I feel like you're younger than me. You're younger than me and you're a guy. So yung level of natin, I feel like, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong.
I mean, di naman sa kasi lalaki ako. I mean, yeah, siguro kasi younger ako. Ganun. Kasi ito kasi yung years na sinasabi nila na, yun nga, you get to explore, you get to pwede ka mag-soul searching a bit, find out the right career for you, and those are questions na di ko pa nasasagot.
Yes.
And those are questions na I try to keep asking. Tas medyo naiinip na ako na sana mahanap ko na yung sagot.
Yeah.
Ikaw?
Medyo parang in contrary to all the opinions, medyo sensitive ako when it comes to family because I'm still healing from a childhood trauma. Kaya siguro yung crisis ko ngayon, not really being able to help my parents because they're still I'm still in the process of taking it slow pa, healing. Right now, I'm really in the age of like parang pressured na mapag-aral ko lahat ng kapatid ko. Nandun yun. And family, I really don't want to have family compared to your guys. Parang parang I'm very sure na hindi talaga siya yung siguro it's also reason na ayaw kong magjowa. I'm still healing talaga. So, hindi ko lang alam kung magbabago pa to. Pero siguro yung crisis ko lang talaga ngayon. Kasi before I went here sa Manila, I really found myself already. I know in myself, I found that I have found myself already. I love being an island girl.
You're confident in your own skin.
Yeah, that's already enough for me. Sobrang liit lang ng bagay na makakapagpasaya sa akin. And then suddenly here comes Manila na grabe, ibang totally different world, and then suddenly there's adulting. Suddenly you would want to earn more kahit feel mo okay ka naman, nakakakain ka naman 3 times. Kasi those are the essentials for me before living in an island. Makakain ka lang 3 times a day, that's enough. Suddenly you kind of want more than what you have. So you parang strive more, hustle more, parang it's never ending. I don't know if it's a good kind of pressure na gusto mo talaga magkaroon pa ng para marami ka pang pero the thing is with me, I get content with little things. Pero at the same time, achiever ako. So yun yung crisis ko ngayon. Should I go to the flow or like should I just be myself or alam mo yun?
I could nagigets ko yung point mo kasi parang feel ko you are already happy like with what you have And parang, okay ka na dun eh, ganon. But also, parang you don't know if that's okay to be content in that way.
Parang,
or should
ano,
you be, or mas okay pa ba talaga na to like go further and
Kasi
beyond?
realistically with life, parang kailangan talaga trabaho tayo ng trabaho. Kasi nauubos talaga at nauubos yung pera. Kahit na nasa isla ka, magtrabaho ng magtrabaho. The thing with me, I have 8 siblings. So parang, my hustle will never be enough. I should really just add and add and add, multiply. So parang yun yung, so kailan matatapos to? Kailan, paano pag pagod na ako?
That is true.